Israel Madrimov will be fighting Magomed Kurbanov. Israel Madrimov 901. Uzbekistani boxer 5'8", 68.5 inches of reach, out of California. Fought to a draw against Michel Soro, but prior to that he scored a knockout victory. He was better than Rafael Igbokwe, and he's got a lot of great wins. Unlike Otabek Kamzatov, Madrimov has pretty much, okay fan base. I didn't have problems with them. He'll be fighting Magomed Black Lion Kurbanov 25'00", 5'9". I was born in Dagestan, Russia, but fighting out of Ekaterinburg. This guy outworked Michel Soro, Johan Gonzalez, Patrick Teixeira, Liam Smith. I think these two fighters are pretty much alike, I'm confident that these two fighters are pretty much alike, and I believe this is going to be a technical fight. This 12-round WBA World Super Welterweight title fight could go all the way, gonna go with over 8.5, but I think Kurbanov offers more experience, especially when the bout gets dragged into the later rounds, so side call gonna be Kurbanov, potentially via decision or late stoppage.